this is the best opportunity in all of New Lambton Heights. Where else can you be minutes to the beach and great schooling with room to expand and create? You can have it all right here. Flexible floor plan, you can move in and customise. Fourth bedroom or second living area. Second study, kids playroom or butler's pantry. The options are truly endless. Today to arrange your private inspection.